Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenel Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you the things that I bought, I think 2 months ago, and I forgot to present it to you. This will be a part of my wardrobe in the next coming days. These are supposed to have been used during the summer when I had a trip to Japan, but I forgot all about these purchases, and I am very sorry. This is the only time that I remember to present them to you one by one. First, this is a linen long sleeve shirt. They call it a premium linen fabric from UNIQLO. Before, my size was small, but I got the bigger size because, as you know, linen is very nice for tropical countries like the Philippines and during summertime, because the property of a linen is very soft, very light, and very airy. Air should, penetrate on the fabric, that it gives a colder temperature on your body. This was on sale. Before it was 1,900, but I got it for 1,490. And this is pure premium linen from UNIQLO. And I measured it, and I found out that the shoulder dimension is 18 inches, and the armpit length, or pit to pit length, is 21 inches, which is still okay with my body size. And this is very light and very comfortable, and you will see how I will be able to pair it with my pants. The second is another linen shirt, long sleeve shirt, and the fabric is a premium linen from UNIQLO. And just the same, this was on sale, 1,490, and the original price is 1,990. And a good deal, I mean. And it has a one pocket on the left side, and you have buttons, plastic buttons. This is size medium, the same dimension or size description. You have 18 inches on the shoulder, and then another 21 inches on the pit to pit or armpit. There's no problem with the opening because it is 20 and a half inches, which is nice. The third item is a flannel shirt, which is very light and very thin, and it is very nice because the color is totally different, and the weaving is also different. This is the Acro color. It says it's flannel. It says that the color is white. Yeah, just the same, Acro white. But in reality, it looks like a cream. And it has one button on the left front, and surprisingly, this is small. However, when I measured it, it is almost the same with the linen shirts that I presented to you. The same length with the shoulder, which is 18 inches, and the pit to pit is also 21 inches, and the opening is 20.5 inches. This is very light as compared to their releases on the flannel long sleeve shirt. And this is very nice to pair with my denims or white jeans if you want a total white combination of outfit together with some sneakers. And the fourth, which is the last one, I was surprised to see an open shirt which has a black camouflage print. This was available on the summer summer releases of UNIQLO, and I got this for, this is only 790. I was surprised, but I think the original price of this is 1,400. Short sleeve, open color, but the print is black camouflage, which is a very nice rendition of a camouflage fabric. And on the measurement, the shoulder is also 18 inches, and the pit to pit is 20.5 inches. So we'll go now to the fitting video so that you will see how I'll be able to pair it with my pants. By the way, I'm using a Baker pants from UNIQLO also, and you will see that this pants is very loose because it is supposed to be a utility pants or work pants, because Baker's pants are a copy of those military uniform during the World War II. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will be informed of my latest videos. And if you have any comments on these items that I presented, please write your comment. With that, we'll go now to the fitting video of these items. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.